The Golden Mean Explained by Doris Charest. The golden mean is a traditional way of placing your focal point. So here you have your canvas or paper, and you divide everything into thirds, one way and then the other way. And this gives you a grid pattern. Now wherever those intersect, those are considered the ideal spots to put your focal point. So for example, you never ever place your focal point right smack in the middle. You just place it somewhere near one of these third areas, 1/3. And that's all there is to the golden mean. Here in this print, the face is put about 1/3, near the third. You don't have to have it exactly on the spot that's a third, but somewhere near it. So here you have a lion, and the eyes that are the focal point are near one of these thirds. And that's all there is to it. It's not any more complicated than that. Try this out and you'll see how much fun it is and how much more success you'll have with your paintings. So The Golden Mean Explained by Doris Charest. We'll see you in the next section.